Friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at some last minute gifts that you can pick up over at Walgreens. You're going to have to go into store for the majority of these. But if you're just looking for gifts that are, Christmassy, somebody gifted you something and you're like, oh, I forgot to get this person a gift. Go to Walgreens because a lot of this stuff is on clearance, and we're going to be looking specifically at prices in this quick video just to give you some last minute gift ideas. Now, if you might have register rewards or Walgreens cash, toss these into the mix so you're paying a lot less. If you're doing deals like the spend 40, get back 10 every other week, you probably have a pretty good bank account on your account, so use some of that money. So the first thing we're going to look at is a little bit of Merry Christmas to you. I think a lot of us, we buy and make Christmas happen, and why not buy yourself a little gift? This adorable little shopping cart for $3.49 found merchandise in the candy section with all the Christmas stuff. So adorable. I have a couple of them. Another Merry Christmas to you. If you've never tried this fancier hemps line, they have it in the candy cane, which is the holiday line. They have a larger lotion, and then some of these smaller ones perfect for your purse. Everything is 50% off. So I would definitely try one if you've never had it before. Definitely worth all the hype for hemps. And then something I've been watching, this is certainly not on clearance yet, but the advent calendar for chapstick. I have a problem with this. This is $19 and I think 49 cents, which is a weird price for Walgreens, but I'm hoping on the 26th this is 50% off. Now, here's something funny. My husband's family actually celebrates Christmas on Thanksgiving, and my mother-in-law bought all the grandkids Squishmallows, and then all the adult girls were like, we want one of those. These big ones are $11.99 a pop, 50% off. And then for the tree, $8 off at $11.99. This Squishmallow adorable stuff, I don't know why it hasn't left the store. I know that the Hello Kitty gingerbreads are gone, but these are also very cute. And then for the Disney adults, we also have the Squishmallow ornaments, the tiny ones for $23.99, $40 original price. And then this journaling set for $11.99. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. For the little ones, we have the Winnie the Pooh for $10.19. And then the smaller Disney Tsum Tsums for $5.39. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, and that is a gift right there for a baby, a toddler. It's just a great gift. Now, Aunt Rach always loves to promote reading, so this is a little stuffy with a book for $13.99 or $11.99. I think every kid would like the dinosaur one. But I think this sort of item, probably after Christmas, we're going to see a lot more with bigger savings. Let's hope they go right to 80 on the 26th. Probably not. It's probably going to be 50% for everything, but it's already 50% for most items right now. And lots of these different toys. A manager pulled me aside and said that everything at this one location was 50% off, even though it wasn't tagged. They ran out of tags, so definitely ask for price checks if the front counter isn't too busy. But everything for little stockings and odds and ends, probably cheaper than Dollar Tree, guys. And then this is something that still hasn't hit 50% yet. This trio of the Yankee candles. A lot of people saying they're a lot smaller than previous years. Probably some shrinkflation thing, but it's $24.99. It used to be $30. So $12.49. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be grabbing one at that price. And then if you have a special friend or somebody that likes everything initialed, it's a little bit more personal. The pricing of this, $7.99, $6.99, $5.99, I don't get it, but definitely ask for a price check and maybe they can give you a mod for $5.99. Wouldn't that be nice? How adorable. If you love Hello Kitty, you just have a classic ceramic mug. Oh my gosh. I think these were $5.99 at most stores. So, for $3, I'm definitely getting that when it's 50%. And the native, still not clearancing yet. But if you look at the tag, it says right till the 31st of December. So if this hits 50% on the 26th, it's going to be a heck of a deal. Find these merchandise on side caps in the beauty section. And then also not on clearance just yet, but a lot of the very cute Christmas Burt's Bees. I mean, if you wanted to gift this with $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.99, I think anyone receiving this would be so happy. It's a very thoughtful gift. And then for the feet, I know that a lot of the slippers by Totes is 30-40%ish off, especially if you have little ones. It's a very good stock up price for kids slippers. Not all, but some of these gift sets, you know, they're taking $2, $3 off, throw in $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 49 cents. Somebody that loves the Soap and Glory line, this is a really nice Christmas gift. Okay, so both of these items, I believe, were like $7 and some change. We have the Bailey's, it's like a chocolate that looks super fancy, and the Fruit Loops straws. How cool do those look? Hopefully this video has been helpful, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.